I'll tell you what, one thing I'm really impressed with is this new Baitcaster by Abu Garcia, and this is the new VoltiQ. Basically what it is an electronic braking system baitcaster. So it almost makes it user-friendly for anyone that has any experience with any fishing reel. You can basically cast this depending on what setting you have it on. You can cast it without any thumb pressure, other than the initial, obviously, release of the cast. And so it's one of those things where literally, like, you can cast it, the bait hit the water, and it never backlashed. And so to me, like, this obviously opens up a market for baitcasters, for kids, for people that are just getting into fishing. You know, one thing about a baitcaster, especially why they're often utilized for bass fishing, is you have that thumb control for placing your bait and your targets, if it's a pier, if it's a stump, or even if it's just the shoreline. But now with the new, you know, basically electronically controlled braking systems, especially this VoltiQ, or VoltiQ, it makes it user-friendly for anyone. And I mean, this thing casts so far. There's 10 different settings on it, 10 being the maximum, and then 1, 2, and 3 are kind of what they call pro settings, where it's basically backed off quite a bit. You need a little bit of thumb pressure on your own for braking, but it still does majority of the cast for you. It's just so crazy to think that you can literally cast a baitcaster and look away and it'll never backlash on you. And I'm throwing a stunted jerkbait right here. But one thing, like, I can see myself utilizing this for is casting into the wind. It doesn't matter how experienced you are, throwing a lighter weight bait into the wind has always been a struggle. With thumb pressure, was obviously not creating any backlashes. But this thing has been crazy. I've only used it for basically the last week or so. And this reel has, like, opened my eyes to, like, I don't know why I wouldn't want all my reels to be like this, because no matter what, it just makes your life a lot easier. Like, you're gonna make mistakes with a baitcaster. It's gonna be frustrating casting into a super strong wind, no matter what bait you're using. But this thing casts a mile, and so it's something that you should definitely check out if you're, you know, on the fence about buying a baitcaster, or if you're inexperienced, or even like me. I think all my baitcasters from here on out are going to be this VoltiQ or VoltiQ reel, because I'm super impressed with it.